The wire we use for house wiring is mostly of single core. That is, we use this type of wire. You might not know how much current we can flow through this type of wire. That is, when you go for wiring, then there a doubt arises that wire of which size we should use. So today in this video, I am going to tell you the current rating of the wire used for house wiring. I will tell you two current rating. First of all, I will tell you the current rating of casing capping type of wiring. That is overhead wiring we do. For this wiring wire which we use, through this how much ampere current we can flow through this. See, the least square wire which is there is 0.5. I am telling this for copper wire. There is aluminum wire also, but right now we are not using aluminum wire for house wiring. So whatever I tell you will be of copper wire. So if you use 0.5 square copper wire in casing capping wiring, then through this you can flow maximum 6 ampere current. Apart from this, if you use the wire for underground wiring, then in this condition you can flow a maximum of 5 ampere current through this wire. We use this 0.5 square wire mostly to provide power supply to the bulb. If you only have a bulb and you want to provide power supply to bulb, then you can use this wire. But if you are selecting wire to provide power supply to a fan along with the bulb, then you will not use 0.5 square wire. In this condition, you will use 0.75 square wire. 0.75 square wire which is there, through this wire you can flow a maximum of 7.5 ampere current if you use it for open casing capping type of wiring. If you want to use this wire for underground wiring, then in this condition current rating will be 7 ampere. You can use this wire for fan or bulb easily, there will be no problem. After this 1 square wire which is there, current rating of this wire is 12 ampere. That is maximum 12 ampere current we can flow. If you want to use this wire for underground wiring, then current rating will be reduced to 11 ampere. You can see one thing here that if you do wiring in open casing capping type, then current rating will be high. But if you use this wire for underground wiring, the current rating will be low. We use 1 square wire mostly for fan and bulb. Friends, before moving forward, let me tell you something. If you are an electrician or an electrical engineer looking for the best book to level up your skills, then I have got something perfect for you. This Electrician A to Z wiring book written by Arun Gupta. This book contains 100 plus circuit diagrams with 190 pages, including DOL starter, star delta starter, reverse forward starter, and many other essential working diagrams that every professional must know. The best part is you can get this book instantly as a PDF. Just visit to www.wiringschool.com or click the link in the video description to buy the book. Once you make the payment, you will get an option to download the book right away, and we will also send the download link directly to your email for easy access. This is not just a book, it's your ultimate guide for mastering electrical wiring. Don't miss out, grab your copy now. Okay, let's continue to our video. After this 1.5 square wire which is there, current rating of this wire is 16 ampere. If you do open casing capping wiring, you can flow 16 ampere current through 1.5 square wire. If you do underground wiring, you can flow maximum 14 ampere current. Friends, if you are going to do wiring for your home, I will always suggest you to use 1.5 square wire for fan and bulb. Friends, if you use small size wire, it will work properly. But if for some reason more current flows in it, means if you connect more load, then in this condition the wire will start heating and will get damaged soon. So you want to do wiring of fan and in your home. I mean switchboard is there, power supply which goes from switchboard for fan and bulb, you can use 1.5 square wire for this. Apart from this 2.5 square wire which is there, through this wire you can flow maximum 22 ampere current in casing capping wiring. For underground wiring, 19 ampere current can flow. We use 2.5 square wire for power socket. I mean to provide power supply for all power socket of your home, you have to use 2.5 square wire. In this power socket, we connect maximum 2000 watt load only. According to 2000 watt load, you can use 2.5 square wire. After this, through 4 square wire, we can flow maximum 29 ampere current. But if you use this wire for underground wiring, then only 26 ampere current can flow. This 4 square wire here, we use this wire for 1.5 ton AC, for geyser in your home. Like this, for heavy load we use this wire. Apart from this, you can flow 37 ampere current through 6 square wire. If you do underground wiring, then you can flow 31 ampere current through this wire. This 6 square wire here, we mostly use this for Energy meter which is there in our home. After energy meter, there is a main distribution board. To provide power supply to main distribution board, we use 6 square mm wire. Means in this wire, maximum load is there in our home. So friends, for wiring in our home, we mostly use these square mm wires. And through these square mm wires, maximum how much ampere current we can flow, I told you about this. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.